3059. This is our room at the Boardwalk. By the way, the lifts are just down there, not too far at all. So let's go in. Shut the door. Oh my goodness. Okay. So as we have this lovely mirror and this lovely little area, this is probably where we're gonna dump all of our bags. Great for a pram. Maybe a scooter can fit in there, unsure, but it's definitely quite a big space. And you've got a mirror so you can check out what you look like just before you leave. We turn back around. Here we have our kitchen. So got a lot of bench space, way more than what we had at Old Key West. We have a sink. We have some cupboard space with some bins. It's probably normal trash, recycling, and some paper towel. Here we have a fridge, which doesn't look, I don't think that's as big as the one we got at Old Key West, but it's still bigger than what we get at like Pop Century in Caribbean Beach where we stayed previously. We then have an ice bucket. We have a really big toaster, actually there's 4. And we have a microwave and a coffee pot. Up here in these cupboards, we've got some paper towel. Looks like some plastic cutlery, sugars, stuff. And then this one here, this way we've got some glasses, some actual glasses, so coffee mugs, glasses, and some paper bowls and plates. Now, the fun part. Oh, I didn't find, there we go. This, I like this better than Old Key West. So, we have a sink, lots of bench space, a massive mirror, so like you can have 2 people easily getting ready here in the morning. Got some power outlets here. We have some drawers, cupboard space. Oh, another bin, so that's good. And another drawer and cupboard space here with some toilet paper, because you need that. A little tissue box, and you also get some facial soap and body lotion. That is my absolute favorite. Some face washes, hand towels. Next to it, we have the cupboard, so let's open this up. Oh, hello. We have, oh, it's quite long. At the end of it, you have a vacuum cleaner. A bit hard to see it. There's a vacuum cleaner, an ironing board. This is another good spot probably to hide bags. Extra pillow and blanket, maybe another pillow, and some hangers to hang a whole lot of stuff. Here we have a safe. Unlike Old Key West, this is actually a code one. You don't have to have a key. So that's neat. A luggage rack. Turning back around from this area, we have the bathroom. Hello, it is a standard bathroom. You got a toilet, you've got a bath, you've got a shower. Oh, it's the old one. So they haven't put in the container in the wall. It's still, they're still giving you reusable ones. So that's interesting. And we've got a little bar of soap. I assume this will change soon. More toilet rolls, towels, all that stuff. All right, now here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. The room, this is actually a lot, this area here, a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Okay, air conditioning. Yes, we can actually control the fan. Amazing. Cooling, and I guess you change it to get cool or to get warm. Then, this is the only cupboard space, apart from the other cupboard I already showed you, that you have here. These are drawers. I've seen this in other videos, that's how I knew. Open it up, you have 4 drawers. There are 4 adults, so that's good for us. They're not as big as the ones that we had at Old Key West. I think they're a bit deeper, but definitely not as wide. And soft clothes, interesting. All right, next, we have a queen size bed. Over here, we have 2 chairs, a table. This pulls down into a Murphy bed. I'm not gonna do that, but we might show you what it looks like later, because I think my sister said she'll sleep here, so she has her own bed. We have USB ports here and normal outlets. You have some on the other side. We have our big giant TV back. Oh my goodness. There's no drawer on that side. Another massive mirror. So this is very good for people with girls with makeup. We've got 1, 2, 3 mirrors to get ready in the morning. Fantastic. Here, oh, well, sorry, in here, you've got this as space, a drawer, and look, more USB, another slot, so that's really good. Now this turns into, I believe, a queen size bed. Probably show you that later. This is gonna probably be my bed. Here, we have a coffee table. Got another comfy chair over there. The flower does not come with the room. I got that from the Grand Floridian. This is what it looks like. I'm looking back. My God, watching these videos that other people do, I didn't realize how big this actually is. It's actually a lot more spacious than I thought it would be. All right, this is what I'm most excited for. Look at this balcony. There, it is so big. I can't even comprehend how big this is. We have 2 chairs. And we have a view of the boardwalk and the tree. And we can see beach club, we can see yacht club. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the room, that's it. Now we requested this room. By no means when you request a room are you gonna get it. We somehow got it. I'm a bit in shock. This balcony is amazing. So we only paid for a garden or pool view room and we pretty much have a boardwalk view. Like you can see the boardwalk. So that's just crazy. So I need to see if my family's at the door. They might want to be let in. But here you go. That is 3059 at Disney's Boardwalk. This is just a studio, villa, pool view or garden view. It's clearly a garden view. There's no pool out there. But there you go. Empty room tour. Now I can just put my stuff down and let's get it messy, pretty much, you know? Oh my goodness. So much bigger than I thought it would be.